Yo, what's up, guys? This is your boy Kelvin. So today I'm going to do some photo shooting. Oh, there's a big train. So it's quite peaceful and not much people around. And look at the purple trees. So it's near the summer season and these purple trees are growing nicely. Look like the flag is it's nice, and I'm going to get a shot of it. So long time no photo shooting since the stupid pandemic. So today I'm going to go to my downtown area. Actually it's a small town. So I'm on my A7RIII today and mainly shooting with 85mm. So and let's see what shots can we got. Oh, there's a nice photography shops there, but it's not open. Okay, streets with peoples. So some are still wearing masks and some don't. So some shops are already open. Yay, open Japanese things, Japanese restaurants. Another photo subject I like to shoot is the cars. Look at this one. Oh, and next to my FRS. Yay. Another nice subject I would like to shoot is the bus. I think it's every area's bus are kind of unique. See, there's a bus walking by, and then we're going to take a shot of the bus. A lot of small airplanes today. So another fun thing of the 85 is like you can take some front objects as your front ground, and then shoot to your main area. So let's say this is some trees and some bushes right here. So I'm going to target the Claremont sign, and then using the front as the foreground, and then you can get a nice frame on it. And Starbucks, not sure they're open. Oh, and they are open. Oh, a lot of people dining there. Be careful, people. across the street, this is a nice gardening place. They sell plants, but I think they are closed. And we are hitting the golden hours. And the 4th of July is coming. Oh, looks like this is a nice composition. Hey, a camera shop. Hey guys, that's it. So this is today's video. Hope you enjoy it. So today I all shooting with the 85mm. Those are the photos we got. So hopefully we can do a different lens next time. I have another like a 35 and 16 to 35mm. We can do a different area photo next time. So hope you enjoy the video, and please check out my Instagram account. So I see you next time. Peace.